Hello everyone, welcome to the course. In the previous video we installed Revit on our computer. Now in this video we will understand the Revit interface, which is very important before we start modeling. Once you understand the interface, working in Revit becomes much easier. When you open Revit, you will first see the start screen. From here you can create a new project. You can open an existing project or access the recent files. For now, let's create a new project and select the architectural template. Once the project opens, you will see several important areas in Revit interface. These areas help you navigate and control your project. The main parts are ribbon, project browser, properties panel, drawing area, and view control bar. Now let's understand each of them one by one. At the top of the screen, we have the ribbon. The ribbon contains all the tools used in Revit. These tools are organized to different tabs. For example, architecture, structure, insert, annotate, view, etc. Each tab contains tools related to specific tasks. On the left side of the screen, we have the project browser. The project browser shows all the views in your project. For example, floor plans, ceiling plans, 3D views, elevations, sheets. This panel helps you quickly navigate between different views. Next to the project browser, we have the properties panel. The properties panel shows information about the selected element. Whenever you select something in Revit, its properties will appear here. And when you have not selected anything, then it shows the properties of the view. You can also modify these properties from this panel. The center area of the screen is called the drawing area. This is where we create and edit the building model. All modeling work happens in this space. At the bottom of the screen, we have the view control bar. This bar helps you control how the model appears in the view. For example, you can change visual style, detail level, shadows, etc. Before we finish this video, let's quickly see some basic navigation controls. You can zoom using the mouse wheel. You can pan by holding the mouse wheel, and you can orbit in the model when you are in the 3D view using the mouse wheel. These controls will help you move easily inside your model. Now you understand the basic interface of Revit. In the next video, we will learn an important concept in Revit, which is the difference between project, family, and template. So let's move to the next lesson.